1. Essentials of a valid contract. 2. Doctrine of privity of contract. 3. Fraud. 4. Wagering agreement. 5. Appropriation of payments. 6. Rights of finder of lost goods. 7. Remedies for breach of contract. 8. Declaratory decrees. 9. Define consideration and explain the exceptions to the rule that a contract without consideration is void. 10. What is the effect of agreements made by persons not qualified to contract, and what are the contracts with a minor to be valid? 11. Examine the various ways in which a contract may be discharged. 12. Explain in detail the various kinds of injunctions. 13. Mr. Aaron offers by a letter to sell his car to Mrs. Rada for Rs 80,000. Mrs. Rada, at the same time, offers by a letter to buy Arun's car for Rs 80,000. The two letters cross each other in the post. Is there a concluded contract between Mr. Arun and Mrs. Rada? 14. Mr. Balu tells his wife that he would commit suicide if she did not transfer her personal assets to him. She does so under this threat. Can the wife avoid the contract? 15. X saves the property of Y from fire, intending to do so gratuitously. Subsequently, he claims compensation from Y on the ground that Y enjoyed the benefit of X services. Will X succeed in the case? 16. Mr. Rahim contracts to sell a plot to Mr. Ganesh for Rs 2 lakh. Mr. Rahim afterwards conveys that plot for Rs 3 lakh to Mr. Sudhir, who has notice of the earlier contract. Can Mr. Ganesh file a suit for specific performance of the contract against Mr. Sudhir?